CNN, ABC News, CBC, Inside Edition, and more have all reported on the scary amount of bacteria and germs in hotel rooms. The CleanseBot is a pocket-sized, smart robot designed to sanitize and disinfect any surface, including your bed and blankets, using UVC light. CleanseBot is the first all-in-one cleaning robot that you can take on all of your adventures. With built-in artificial intelligence, 18 sensors, and 3 different modes, the CleanseBot might just be the smartest thing you pack. In under blanket mode, you just put your CleanseBot on the bed, touch one button, and let it sanitize and disinfect your bed for either 30 or 60 minutes at a time, no matter what type of mattress or blanket you have. Using patent-pending wheel technology, the robot will be able to climb over any lumps and bumps in the sheets and never fall off the bed. In handheld mode, just pick up your CleanseBot and the sensors will detect your hand, and use the bottom UVC lights to disinfect light switches, kitchen and bathroom surfaces, cell phones, keyboards, and even children and pet toys. The CleanseBot can run and disinfect for 3 hours on a single charge. When you're traveling, you always pack your portable charger. Instead of having to pack another device, the CleanseBot has a power bank mode with a 3700 mAh battery and a USB-C port with flash charging for faster charging times. Experts at the National Institute of Health, Columbia University, and Time, as well as many others, have shown how UVC light kills 99.99% of bacteria, germs, and mold, and can even fight the spread of airborne viruses. Worry-free traveling can be yours. Grab the super smart CleanseBot and guard against germs no matter where you are. Place your pre-order during this Kickstarter campaign to get your CleanseBot for over 60% off retail price, only $99. This is a Kickstarter only deal and will not be available after the campaign is ended. Don't miss out.
Il réagit très très mal au feu d'artifice. On a peur pour le chien.
To dogs, fireworks are different to natural sounds, like, for example, thunder.
He gets very anxious, he pants a lot, he shakes.
In my experience, 50% of dogs do show signs of fear with fireworks.
We're daredevils, but we're not naive. We know that your helmet is the single most important accessory for your riding experience. So we designed the best damn helmet in the market, the Jarvis X AR Smart Helmet. The Jarvis X AR helmet is made out of a lightweight aerodynamic polycarbonate carbon fiber shell with built-in wide-angle 2K front and rear cameras that offer 360-degree view, and the industry's first voice-activated retractable heads-up display. The Jarvis X AR helmet connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to see incoming call notifications, road slip warning, weather notification, gas station icon, dangerous section warning, speed warning, traffic notification, GPS navigation, and rear view images on demand. I forgot to introduce our guest of honor. Hi, Alexa.
Hey, it's great to be here.
All these features and more can be controlled by voice command. Since safety is our #1 priority, the Jarvis helmet has CNS, DOT, ECE safety certifications, anti-fog, anti-scratch, anti-glare visor, and 100% military-grade battery. Our state-of-the-art technology empowers every rider to enjoy the riding experience. And don't deny it. This is your dream helmet. Pre-order now.
Hey guys, my name is Joseph, co-founder of Aption Labs. I'm here to show you how to cook with meter for the first time. Let's season this sirloin steak. I've preheated my grill so it's ready to go. There are many ways to cook a steak, but today I'm going to show you how to sear it first with direct heat and then finish it with indirect heat. Let's sear each side for about a minute. We just finished searing the steak. Now let's use meter. First, turn it on by taking it out of the charger. Position the internal sensor, the meter probe located here, into the center of the thickest part of the meat, making sure the safety notch is completely inside the meat. This tip is the ambient temperature sensor and should be placed 2 inches from the meat surface for best measurement. Meter is a leave-in meat thermometer. This means you leave meter inside the meat until you're ready to eat. Now let's set up a guided cook. Let's launch the app. Setting up a guided cook allows you to choose preset meat temperatures and receive automatic alerts to help you achieve your target result. I want to cook beef. It's a sirloin steak. I love my steaks medium rare. That's 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's start the cook. This is the ambient temperature reading. It'll appear once you start cooking. Now let's finish the steak. I only have one burner on. And let's place the steak over indirect heat. We recommend to place meter at least 2 inches away from any wall. And your phone propped up instead of lying flat or in your pocket. If you need extended range, use Meter Link. It'll also allow you to monitor your cook with a second device. Now let's get indoors. Oh, I didn't see you there. I got caught up in my book. Let's check on that cook. These are the internal, target, and ambient readings. They correspond to the dial indicators here. When the internal temperature indicator reaches the target, your cook is ready. This is the cook time estimate. You can also tap the sender to toggle elapsed time. You can create custom alerts by tapping the alert icon. There's already one active alert that will notify you 5 minutes before the cook ends. Tap the graph icon to see a visual representation of the internal and ambient temperature over time. Alright, that's our 5-minute alert. Let's return to the steak. Awesome. Let's rest that steak. Resting the steak will allow the internal temperature to rise and meet your target. Almost there. Let's remove the meter probe. Be careful, it might be hot. When you pull the meter probe, make sure not to apply perpendicular force up, down, left, or right, but pull it straight out. There we go. Now Now that's how you cook a steak with meter. Let's see.